Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see the recording? Is the recording?
Yes,
sis.
I see it.
Okay, guys, so how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Okay, today we're going to be learning about linear functions, and this is Miss Vazquez, and I hope you're enjoying your freshman year. You have a phone, or you can open a second window on your computer. Can you go to joinpd.com?
I'm on my phone.
It's okay. You can't do it. That's okay. So go to joinpd.com. Let me know when you're in. And your password will be RHHHPK. Can you see it on the screen?
Yes, I can see it on the screen.
Okay. Okay, one student is connected. Right now, you can be able to plug in.
Yes, I'm doing it right now.
Okay, thank you. And Karen, if you just follow up, it's fine.
Okay. Yes, if you don't mind, I'll follow along.
Yes, good. So guys, so you know this is like the last week of school. So next year you'll be sophomores taking geometry. So I hope this you enjoy your Algebra 1 class, and good luck next time. Okay, so now that all of you are in there, we're talking about linear functions today, and I want you to tell me, how do you feel about this topic? How much do you know about this topic so far? If you think you feel okay with it, go ahead and use your icon on the bottom, and you can either say, I got this, or I have no idea what we're talking about today.
Thumbs up. I give it a thumbs up.
Okay. Oh, this is Karen?
Yes, Karen.
Okay,
yes.
you're driving, so you're fine. Go ahead and, those that are logging, go ahead and click it on the presentation. Use your icon to either, you can also do it in the middle, like if you don't know much about it, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I can see that both of you feel okay about it, like the three of you. Okay, this will be the objective for today. Can anybody read that for me?
Yes, the students will be able to decide if the relationship presented is a function using tables and graphs.
So we're going to be using tables and graphs. And so let's go ahead and get started on this. And we're going to go with the boyfriend relationship today, okay? So Marie, I'm going to use you as an example, okay? So if you have a boyfriend and his name is Juan, and it's only you and Juan in the relationship, do you think this relationship is going to function? First of all, what does function mean? Who knows?
For it to work.
Works, right? Mm-hmm. So if it's just Juan and Marie, it's a relationship. Do you think this is going to work? If they love each other, do you think it's going to function?
Yes, because he's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to show you how that's going to look on the table. And let me know if you can see it.
I can see it.
You can see it? Okay. So whenever we do a table, guys, do you remember what letters do we use?
X and Y.
X and Y, so we have X and Y. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to have Juan here. And I'm going to have Marie over here. And you can see that Juan is only with Marie. So far, is this going to work? And Marie says, yes, it's going to work. What about if there's another girl, Juan is over here, but this other girl, Reina, comes along, and Juan he wants to become a player, okay? So do you think Juan having Marie as a girlfriend and Juan having Reina as a girlfriend, do you think the relationship is going to work?
No.
No, right? Because now Juan has two girlfriends, okay? And most of the time, guys are gonna say, yes, it's going to work. And I said, okay, maybe for a little bit, but then later it's gonna be trouble. So in here, this is not going to be a function, not a function, okay? If you notice, did we focus on the X or on the Y to decide if this was a function?
On the X.
On the X. So do you notice that this is repeating?
Yes.
Function, okay? So what about like if let me change this really quick. And I have Jose. So we have Juan with Marie and Jose with Reina. Is that going to be a function?
Yes.
Yes, right? So yes, this is a function. So focus on the X, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and use numbers or values. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Is this a function? Remember, we're only focusing on this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, right? Because you only see 1, how many times?
One time.
And you see 2?
One time.
1 time. We don't care about this part. We only care about this part, okay? So what about if I have 2, 2, 3, 4? Is that a function?
No.
No. Why is it not a function?
Because 2 is on there twice under the X value.
Okay, very good. Very good, Karen. So that's how it's going to work. So that's how the table is going to work. Now I'm going to do a picture here or a graph. And I'm going to do this here. Okay, there's something called the vertical line test. And this is your picture, the C. And when we do the vertical line test, what we're going to do, we're going to draw a line on the picture. Okay. Okay, and we're going to decide this is a function. So the way we do this, we have to check how many times the line is touching my graph. How many times is the line touching the C?
2.
Twice.
Twice. So it's here and here. So is that a function?
No.
Why?
Because it's touching, like the rule is only supposed to touch it once.
Okay, so this is not a function, right?
No.
So let's go ahead and do something else. And we're gonna do something like this. Okay, would that be a function? You can
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you can test it in different places. If I test it here, yes. Test it here.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime it's touching only once, right? Okay, let me go ahead and do one more and then you can practice on this. So what about if I do this?
No.
No, right?
No.
So some people are gonna do this and then automatically say yes. But remember, we're looking at the whole picture, but if I test my line here, you can obviously see that it's touching many, many times. So that's not gonna be a function altogether because we're talking about the whole picture, not only this part, okay? Yes? Okay, so now that you have a question, Karen?
Oh, no, I was answering your question, sorry.
So does anybody have any questions before we can work on this a little bit on your own?
No.
Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Okay, do you see this on your phone or the second window that you open?
Yes, I could see it.
Okay, so go ahead and draw your line on this picture and tell me, or write it down on the side and tell me whether it's a function or not.
No.
Okay, we're waiting for responses. Your line, vertical line test, and then on the side, just put yes or no. Marie, what do you say?
Oh,
Let me wait for some other people.
okay.
I only
I
see
know.
one response.
Yeah, my line just kind of went everywhere.
Oh, that's fine. So Marie, do you think that's a function?
No,
No, right? How many times is that line touching your U?
twice.
Twice. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, Karen, do you want to try this one?
Yes. So if I draw the line, it is a function because it only touches the V once.
Okay, good job. Let's see if Reina can try this one.
Is a yes?
Yes, ma'am, that's good. On the little tip, it might look like it's a straight line, but it's not. It's like a little dip thing in there. But that's good. Let's skip this one because I need to make it shorter. Okay, if you can go ahead and click on this link, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna tell me 3 things I have learned from this lesson. Do you see this on your screen?
Yes.
And what this is going to do, guys, everybody is going to be able to have this in your notes. So instead of you working on your own, you can actually see the notes that the other students put there in there for you, and you should be able to use these notes to help you with your homework. Okay.
Okay.
So if it touches twice, it's not a function. Remember, somebody said a guy can only have one girlfriend. So if it touches once, it's a function. It's not a function. Good. So how do you feel so far, guys?
Pretty good.
Good.
You're okay. Remember,
Yeah.
we don't learn it. It's fine. We can always go back to it. The war is not going to come to an end. Okay. So go ahead and show me what you know. You can use your icon on the bottom and you can say, is this a function, yes or no? Waiting for responses.
So the first one is a function?
Is that Karen?
Yes. So like
Is it a-
-2 and 3 are a function?
So the whole thing is a function, right?
Oh, as a whole.
That's the whole thing. So what do we
How
focus
about
on? We focus on the
yes.
x. So, or the, okay, -2 only goes with the 3, so it's going to work. 0 only goes with the 0, yes. 3 goes only with the 2, that's good. 4 goes with the 2. Remember, we're only focusing on,
Oh yeah.
so is that true?
No. No, it's not a function.
It's not a function. Look at the x's.
So as long as the x is only like the I could have y twice, but not x only one time.
Yes, x's has to, the values have, they don't repeat. We only focus.
Okay.
So is that a function, Karen?
Yes.
Yes. Is everybody clear with that, Marie?
Yes.
Okay. Um, Marie, Reina, do you want to try this one?
Yes. This is a function.
Okay, look at your vertical line test. How many times is it touching?
Oh, actually twice, so it's false.
Very good. Does everybody agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's time for you to show what you have learned. And you will have 2 minutes to complete this assignment. If you go ahead and click on that link, and go ahead and if you can enter your answers to those to yes or no. So then the question will be, is this a function?
Can I tell you since I can't do it?
Yes.
So that one is not a function
Okay, why is it not a function, Karen?
because we have 3 twice
Very good.
under the x.
That's really good. Marie, do you want to try number 2?
Oh, yes. Number 2 is a function because we're doing the vertical line test and it only crosses through it once.
That's very good. Reina, do you want to try number 3?
Yes. Number 3 is yes, it is a function because it doesn't have any repeating numbers.
This is supposed to be independent work, right? But it's fine. Okay, go ahead and do this one on your own, guys, and submit submitted it through your phone or whatever. Karen, you're fine.
I was like, I could tell you.
You're fine.
I already submitted mine. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, same for me.
Okay, so to reflect on this activity, guys, can you please go ahead and actually, if you can do it, go ahead and answer these 4 questions. What do you like about this lesson? What didn't you like about it? What do you think was the easiest part of it? And what was the hard part of it? And you can just write on it. I can see Reina's writing something. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the screen. I give you one more minute, guys, even if you had to write.
I send you my answers on a message as well.
Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, so it was, let me know if you need any help. Remember, I have tutor in the morning and also in the afternoon. I get here by 7 o'clock in the morning, so let me know if you need any help, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.